Imagine this. You want to upload a YouTube video today, but you don't have a script, no time to edit, and no clue how to start. What if I told you that with the right AI tools, you could create a full YouTube video in just 10 minutes? In this video, I'll break down the exact process I use, the tools I recommend, and how you can make your workflow faster, smarter, and more professional, without losing creativity. YouTube is more competitive than ever. Millions of videos are uploaded every single day. If you spend 2 to 3 days making one video, you'll fall behind. This is where AI comes in. It handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on ideas and creativity. In fact, surveys show that over 70% of content creators already use AI for at least one part of their process. And those who don't, they're struggling to keep up. Before you make a video, you need an idea that people are actually searching for. AI tools like keyword finders and trend trackers analyze search data to show you what's hot right now. For example, if I ask an AI tool, "What's trending in YouTube tech niche this week?" it will show things like AI productivity tools, faceless YouTube channels, or AI music generators. That saves hours of research and ensures my videos always target trending topics. Alright, let's talk about step 2. The script. For many creators, this is the biggest mountain to climb. Staring at a blank page, battling writer's block, trying to structure your thoughts, it's a huge drain on time and creative energy. A solid 10-minute script can easily take a full afternoon to write from scratch. But what if you could condense that process into just a few minutes? That's where AI script generators come in. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai have completely changed the game, turning that daunting blank page into a collaborative canvas. The magic starts with your prompt. You could type something simple, like, "Write a 10-minute YouTube script about making videos faster with AI." But to get a great starting point, be more specific. Think of the AI as a brilliant but literal assistant. A much better prompt would be, "Act as an expert YouTube creator. Write a 10-minute video script with a friendly, educational tone for aspiring YouTubers." The topic is, how AI can 10x your video production speed. Include an intro hook, 3 main points, and a call to action to subscribe. By providing context, tone, audience, and structure, you guide the AI to create something much closer to your final vision. In seconds, the AI generates a full draft. Now, let's be clear, it won't be perfect. The first draft might sound generic, and you must fact-check any data it makes. Think of the AI as your co-pilot. It's done the heavy lifting of creating the flight path, the intro, main points, and conclusion, but you are still the pilot. Your job is to take this solid foundation and infuse it with your unique personality. This is the crucial editing phase, where you rewrite sentences to match your natural speaking voice, adjust the flow, and ensure every word serves its purpose. And this brings me to the most important tip. Add the human element. This is what makes your content stand out. Inject your own personal stories and real-life examples. For instance, instead of the AI's generic line, "It can be hard to write scripts," I would change it to, "I remember spending an entire Saturday trying to write one 5-minute script. I ended up with 2 paragraphs and a headache." That personal anecdote creates a genuine connection. It's your experiences and unique perspective that an AI can never replicate. That's your secret sauce. Use AI for structure and speed, but use your heart for the story. Now let's talk about voiceover. Not everyone likes recording their voice, or maybe you don't have the right microphone. AI voice tools can turn text into natural speech. You paste the script, choose a voice, male, female, even different accents, and in seconds, you have professional audio. But here's the warning. Some AI voices still sound robotic. Always listen carefully and pick the most human-sounding one. Or, use it as a base and add your real voice for extra authenticity. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, editing. For most creators, this is the single most time-consuming part of video production. It's a mountain of tasks. cutting out every and ah, trimming dead air, searching for the perfect B-roll, finding royalty-free music, and syncing it all together. It can take hours, even days. But what if that entire mountain could be shrunk to a molehill? This is where AI video editors come in, and they are fundamentally changing the game. They act as your tireless editing assistant, automating the most tedious tasks and freeing you up to focus on your story. First, one of the most revolutionary features is text-based editing. Instead of staring at a complex timeline, these tools automatically transcribe your video, turning it into a text document. Want to cut a sentence? Just delete the text. Need to remove an awkward pause? Delete the gap in the transcript, and the video timeline updates instantly. This is a game changer for talking head videos, turning the daunting task of a rough cut into a simple proofreading exercise. It's an incredibly intuitive way to build the foundation of your edit in a fraction of the time. Next, let's tackle B-roll and music. Traditionally, you'd spend hours scrolling through stock libraries. AI editors flip this process on its head. They analyze your script to understand the context and mood. Based on that, the AI will automatically suggest curated background music that fits the tone, whether it's inspirational or upbeat. Even more impressively, it will read your script, identify key concepts, and pull relevant stock video clips from vast libraries, placing them directly onto your timeline, perfectly synced to your voiceover. For example, when I say save countless hours, the AI can instantly find and place a clip of a clock speeding up, and of course we can't forget subtitles. With so many people watching videos on mute, captions are essential for accessibility and engagement. AI editors generate highly accurate, timed subtitles for your entire video in minutes. You can then easily review the transcript, make corrections, and customize the style to match your brand. All these features combined mean you're no longer just a clip arranger, you're a director. You spend less time on the mechanical labor of dragging and dropping, and more time on the creative polish, refining the story, perfecting the pacing, and ensuring your final video makes a real impact. Once your video is ready, the real battle for attention begins. You need a clickable thumbnail and a compelling title. Think of them as the movie poster and headline for your content. They are the single most important factor in determining your video's click-through rate, or CTR. A high CTR signals to the YouTube algorithm that your video is engaging, leading to more impressions and views. This is where so many creators stumble. They pour their heart and soul into making an incredible video, but when it comes to the thumbnail and title, they rush it in the last 5 minutes. This is a critical mistake that can render all their hard work invisible. But what if you're not a graphic designer? This is where AI design tools become your secret weapon. Platforms like Midjourney, DALL-E, or even Canva's built-in AI can generate stunning, professional-quality thumbnails in mere seconds. The process is incredibly intuitive. You simply describe what you want. Instead of a vague prompt, get specific. Try something like, create a vibrant YouTube thumbnail for a video about AI video creation. Feature a futuristic robot holding a film reel with a bold, easy-to-read title that says, AI made this video. Use a color palette of electric blue and orange. The AI will then generate multiple, distinct options. This allows for rapid A/B testing. You can generate 5 different styles and see which one resonates most with your audience. It's not just about speed, it's about overcoming creative blocks and accessing a level of design quality that was previously out of reach for many. The same revolutionary power applies to crafting the perfect title. AI tools, often integrated into platforms like VidIQ and TubeBuddy, don't just guess. They analyze massive datasets of top-performing videos, identify trending SEO keywords, and understand the psychology of what makes a viewer click. You can ask the AI to generate title variations based on different angles, a question to spark curiosity, a listicle format like Top 5 AI Tools, or a benefit-driven title that promises a solution to a viewer's problem. For instance, you could prompt it, generate 10 YouTube titles for a video about the future of AI in content creation, focusing on a sense of urgency and excitement. By pairing an AI-generated thumbnail with an AI-optimized title, you're not just uploading a video, you're launching a highly engineered package designed to capture attention and drive clicks. AI is powerful, but don't over-rely on it. Here are 3 mistakes I see all the time. 1. Copy-paste scripts without editing. Audiences can tell, it sounds robotic. 2. Generic stock footage. If every clip looks like a boring corporate ad, people will click away. 3. No human touch. At the end of the day, YouTube is about personality. AI can assist, but you make the connection with your audience. To test this, I created a video using only AI tools: script, voice, editing, and thumbnail. The entire process took less than an hour. When I uploaded it, the video got over 2,000 views in the first 2 days, with above-average audience retention. That proves one thing: if you use AI wisely, you can create content faster without losing quality. But the key is balance: AI plus creativity. And that's how I made a YouTube video in just 10 minutes using AI. Now it's your turn. Would you trust AI to handle your content creation? Or do you still prefer the traditional way? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll read and reply. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI content tips, and share this with a friend who wants to grow on YouTube faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.